And if you are to talk about value, property value, we are talking about the worth of the property in the eye of the market at that point in time. The worth of the property in the eye of the market at that point in time. And it's just subjective in the sense that it's very fluid. No one determines the property value. What determines the property value is just the forces of demand and supply, because property value is being determined in an imperfect market. Your property value is being set by what the other person, in regards to being a similar property, sold his or her at that point in time, irrespective of the cost. Most of the times, even though rare, the worth or the property value can even go below the cost of the property, which is not actually a good marker. The positive sign is that the value should always be more than the property cost, but not all the time. And that's the reason why we have to do our due diligence, do our appraisal very well, do our findings very well, get an expert involved before carrying out a project in regards to property costs. And before selling, one needs to get the data of the market, because property value is being determined by the location of the property, its proximity to an infrastructure, ability to sell that particular property, maybe depending on the type or the usage, ability to sell it quick. So that's what determines the property value. And when these two concepts are not being understood well, it can cost an investor huge amount of money. So property value depends on the worth of that property.